Oh.
As a restaurant, good morning. This is Shalemi speaking. How may I help you?
I'd like to make a dinner reservation.
Sure, sir. May I know your name, please?
My name is Mark.
For which day, Mr. Mark, and what time?
It is for Monday, October 5 at 7 in the evening.
A table for how many guests, Mr. Mark?
For 2 person.
Okay, Mr. Mark. One moment, please. I will just check if there is a table availability, Mr. Mark.
Yes, just take your time.
Sorry for putting your line on hold, Mr. Mark. Upon checking our availability, Mr. Mark, there is a table available on October 5, Monday at 7 in the evening. Good for 2 person, Mr. Mark.
Oh, that's good.
Which area do you prefer, Mr. Mark? Smoking area or non-smoking area?
Then smoking area, please.
Do you have any special request, Mr. Mark?
Nothing more.
May I have your contact number, please?
Sure, it's 0910 123 4567.
Okay, Mr. Mark, let me repeat your table reservation details. A table for 2 on Monday, October 5 at 7 in the evening in the name of Mr. Mark, and contact number is 0910-234567. Is that correct, Mr. Mark?
Yes,
Is there anything I can help, Mr. Mark?
nothing more.
Okay, Mr. Mark, thank you for calling As a Restaurant. Have a nice day.